everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are replacing our fairings on this 2008 Yamaha R6. I wanted to show you guys a step-by-step process on how to replace the fairings. Right. So we're going to grab our Allen wrenches. This has every size pretty much that we need, all the millimeter sizes we need. Number 4 right here. Screw right here. Screw right here. All right, on top panel we have 2 screws. One right here. Right, so this one just pops up, 2 screws, and there's a rubber grommet for this pin right here. Got one of those off. Let's go to the front. 4mm Allen wrench. $4mm right here. So we push the peg all the way through, and then we just have to find it afterwards. There's one on top and one down here. Just remove all these little plastic tabs. Yeah, so this earlier you slid it forward and then it lifts out. So we got our fairing out. Upper and lower, you unscrewed these 2 screws. Alright, you get to this point, you slide this back. You're at. There's a little clip right here. So this just lifts up. Here, I'll show you. So this clicks in, and then you just press this little tab right here, and it lifts up. Releases that fairing. Well, that's it for today. I'll finish up tomorrow.